Okay, you guys, now if you're having a damaged skin and you've actually been using a lot of things, to get rid of your damaged skin, and then you've tried so many things to have a flawless and a younger looking, glowing and beautiful skin, all right, and you've not seen, you are at the right video, because this particular ingredient that I'm literally going to be showing you guys would help you to take care of your damaged skin and repair and open pores, and also reduce your pores. Now when you're having open pores, you attend to acne and of course spots, and then you attend to pigmentation. All right, your skin is going to be so exposed to a lot of stuff here and there. Okay, so you're welcome back to today's video. Now today's video, I'm literally going to be showing you an amazing way to get rid of open pores, wrinkles, and repair a damaged looking rough skin. Now I have here my tomato. Now tomato is an amazing, tomato helps to shrink the pores. It helps to rejuvenate and make your skin look really beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, now you can either crate your tomato or you blend it. Okay, now for today's video, I'm actually going to be crating my tomato. All right, so after grating the tomato, what you're going to do next is to strain the juice out. So here is my tomato juice. Alright, so the very next ingredient that we're going to be making use of is sugar. Now because of the smaller granite particles in this sugar, it helps to exfoliate the skin, it helps to remove damage and clogged pores, it helps to take care of pigmentations, and it also helps to reduce fine lines as well as wrinkles. Okay, so I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons just to make sure to scrub out every thing on your skin that's actually making your skin look pretty old and damaged. So after putting this, do not actually stir it too much, just like this. Don't stir too much so that the sugar won't dissolve into the tomato. So here again, you're going to be making use of potato. All right, going to be putting, potato contains a lightening property and a nourishing ingredients that helps to nourish up your skin. It helps to rejuvenate and make your skin glow very well. Okay, so if you want to repair a damaged skin, you can of course use potato, and you are definitely good to go. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to peel up the potato, and then you can either get the juice of the potato, or you can cook the potato and then blend it, and it turns to puree. Yeah, so you use your potato puree for this ingredient, and you are definitely gonna be loving it. So for me, you guys, I'm actually gonna go cook this. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'll go wash it and then cook it, and then I'll blend it, and then I will be right back. So here is my blended potato. All right, so I'm going to be putting about 3 tablespoons of that into this mix. And then we'll give it a little stir, just like this. This is beautiful. Okay, all right, you guys, so you have to put in either vitamin E oil or petroleum jelly. All right, so for me, I really love petroleum jelly because it actually helps to nourish up my skin when I actually put it in remedies like this. Okay, so I'm going to be putting just a little bit of it, and then I would have to put it in a double boiler method, okay, so that the petroleum jelly could dissolve, and then I'll stir. Then again, you're going to be making use of your egg. Now, egg is great in tightening up the skin. All right, it contains a remedy that helps to nourish up and leave your skin so glowing. All right, so when you want to use this, you have to use the egg whites. So I'm putting just a little of that, not too much. And then give it a good stir. So you're going to be getting your container. And then you're going to put your ingredients inside of it. So here you go. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go use this on the face. Okay, you guys, so this is my remedy. Okay, and of course, before you apply a remedy, usually I love to actually dab my face with water, but for now I'm actually not doing that. I'm just applying it directly. Okay, so you apply it gently and generously over your face. Okay, so after applying this all up on your skin, then you gently massage it this way in a circular motion, just like this. So after that, then you can actually use your hand and target those areas that you may be wanting to, in case you have open pores. Like for me, it's this area. Okay, so you just rub it there, and mostly on your nose. Use your hand to rub it onto your nose. This T-zone, the T-zone area, that's his forehead. Use your hand to rub everything. Okay, you guys, so after that is done, then we're going to then wash it off. You can just clean it off, before washing it, okay, so that you're going to actually see the effect of it first before even cleaning it, before even washing it, okay. So you guys, that's it. I love the feel. Now after 1 minute of applying this, then you can wash it off, okay. It's all good.